Hi guys, hope you all doing well. So myself Naveen and I'm doing a video on walnut. I think many of us know about dry walnut, okay? So what's special today I'm gonna show you is that I'm gonna show you the walnut tree, okay? And like before drying how it looks. So continue. So see, this is the walnut fruit, okay? It's like it's not dried, okay? And we can heat this also, okay, without making it dry. I will show how it is. I already opened and kept one, so you can see, okay. I will just show you. Yeah, you can see this is what we get when we peel that outer layer of that walnut. This is what you get, the final one, okay. And usually what people will do, they will take out this is the walnut, okay, and they will dry it and then they will sell it, okay. And this is like I'm just freshly taken from here and I peeled that top layer, and this is what you get, okay. So I'm gonna break it. Yeah, see, I broke it. I'm peeling the shell out. So you can see that it's not dried, okay. It's still like I can say only 50%. Yeah, this is what your walnut look like before drying, okay. And you can eat it, no problem. So yeah, I'm eating this. It tastes really good. It's not like when it was dried, it doesn't have any taste. But here I can feel some different taste, and it's very very good. Thank you. Yeah. So I'm just continuing the part, and also I will show few Arabic food style and like farm, okay, like how a farmhouse looks like in an Arabian land, okay. So you can see here there are many trees, okay, especially like apple, pomegranate, then walnut, and especially this is a green apple tree, okay. And you believe it or not, guys, you can see the tulsi also here, but that really smells little different, okay. So over there you can see purple. Yeah, so yeah, this is the tulsi, okay. It's really I really surprised, okay. So we think that in India we get only there, okay, and here also we can see the tulsi, and it tastes little different, okay. So that's one really good part. Yeah, I'm continuing the remaining part. So now I'm introducing the family, Arabian family, okay. So and also I will show their lifestyle and also their food products, okay. You can please follow me. Yeah. So you can see here, this is the delicious homely made fresh foods. I mean, especially I can say sweets, okay. And really don't know the name, many of them. What's the name? Okay, so yeah, this name I don't know, and this one is like Indian tamarind, okay. It tastes like Indian tamarind but a different. And this, you may know, sunflower seeds, okay. These are the dry pea, and this is what we call. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's hemmi, and they call it as paklava. Okay. And this is paklava brother, and this is paklava sister. And this is yeah, this is banana cake, Kurdish banana cake. And like so this really tastes yummy and delicious, okay. Guys, you should try, okay, whenever you get a time or opportunity. And look at this. Do you believe this? This is walnut, okay. And you believe it or not, I ate almost like 6-7. Really yummy and tasty, okay. Yeah, can take a closer look. Thank you. After that, I am going to introduce few family members. Okay, so they just say hi. So this is, I forgot the name, but still okay. So you can have a look there. Okay, hi. And this is a special family member. Okay, see, it's biting. It doesn't like me. Okay, and he loves only this guy. See, they are all very kind and gentle. And this is our hero, okay, and real gentleman
and this place
who
is
organized this
farm
day.
owner.
Okay, thank you so much. And this is very beautiful, cool, calm, and what is say, no words to describe. Okay, such a lovely family. Okay, and here is the what is say, the queen. Okay, so very kind, very kind people. Okay, I am from my bottom of my heart. Okay, and our mentor. Okay, our mentor, teacher, guider, and like everything. Okay,
Manager,
yeah.
everything.
Some kids are here. Okay, so you can see.
Shame.
Don't want to.
Okay. He's shaming.
See, these are the girls, okay, like they just enjoying their homestay, okay. It's very beautiful. They have some love
I'm taking
birds.
some picture in a. Yeah. I want to. I want. Taking some
Yeah,
picture
that's the family, okay. That's like combined Indian and Arabian tradition. Okay, guys. So this is the entry level for the farmhouse. Arabian farmhouse, okay. So you can see how an Arabian farmhouse look like, okay. So please come. So you can see some very brand new cars, okay. See, very nice. And you have to take the cars to come here, okay. There is no walkable distance. Some beautiful cars, really expensive, and like BMW X6. Yes, so this is the entrance for the farmhouse. Look at this. How beautiful, how calm, and how neatly organized. Okay, many trees, lawn, tree. I mean, like pomegranate, apple, everything. Okay. And now we are entering into a special area of this house. That's kitchen. Okay, you can see how nice it is. Yeah. Okay, so this is the kitchen. I can show you. It looks very like very well planned, and like you can see, these are the homemade food. Okay, it looks very natural and tasty. And after 1 hour, we are gonna eat this everything. Okay, look how nicely they made. I really don't know the name of these delicious things. Okay, but still all looks like veg salad, and like you can see the olives, very delicious olives. And yeah, this is the small kitchen. Okay, and these are the tea glasses. Look at this beauty. Okay, we always prefer to have a tea in this. Okay, and yeah. Yeah, so this is the delicious olive seeds. Okay, they looks very delicious just from getting from the farms and eating. Okay, so anyway, so we are gonna eat everything within an hour. So just follow me, and yeah, look at this beautiful. Okay, so again another kitchen. Okay, this mainly for cooking. What do you call baking? Okay, farmhouse. There are many gravies are ready, chicken, and like cook this some special dish. Okay, so it can't open right now. And these are the salad. You can see these are the natural cucumber. I mean, it's like pickle here. Okay, they are dipped in salt for a month. Okay, and here is the kitchen garden. Look how beautiful it is. And this is the tea.
Yeah, 1 second. Ada food കാണിക്കും.
This is how they make it. Okay, this is the way they make the tea. Okay, it's very nice. Okay guys, so anyway, I'm gonna open what's there inside. I don't know exactly. This is they call I forgot the name actually, but it's they put a chicken and some peas. Okay, and really smells very good. It's Pausulia. Yeah, I remember the name now. And this is Yeah, this is some wheat, okay, nicely cooked. And this one is chicken dolma. Yeah, this is dolma. I really love this dish, okay. This is the like core, hardcore Kurdish foods, okay, guys. You should taste it. Really, really good. Then these are all cooking materials, okay, and yeah. Sorry. Dayan interested.
This is the daya.
Okay. I'm going to introduce the owner of this house, okay? What do you call? In Kurdish they call it as Daya. Daya means grandmother, okay? Who is very old and like she will guide everyone, okay? Yeah, this is the one, okay? I'm talking about, okay? Her name now Chia? Dulbar, okay? Her name is Dulbar. Very kind, very lovely, and what do you say? No words to describe her, okay? Very good, gentle lady, okay?
Yes.
Nice to meet you. Nice. Yeah. And one more thing I need to put a word here. This lady is behind of everything, okay? Whatever she cooked, she's the one who guided, watered, and like she did everything, okay? We really love her, okay? Okay. Yes. Okay. Started. Guys, this is the small pond, okay? This is for like in case when there is a summer here, it will be like 40-50 degrees. So that time you can come and hang over here and you can like swim for an hour, okay? So that's really cool.
Start.
Okay, so these are the children. I think they are busy in playing the PUBG. Okay, they don't want interest. Now Chia. Length.
My name is Hova.
Hova. Lana, yeah. See how they introduce themselves. They're very kind and like. So this is blueberry. What is it? Blackberry tree. And that one is olive seeds tree. Okay, you can see all over here. This is the olive seeds tree. Okay, guys, you won't believe. Okay, I think you don't get a chance to see. You can see the olive. This is the small one actually. So it may need another months, I think. Okay, so just get ripe itself. Yeah, this is the olive seeds. Okay guys, so we are winding up, and this is the short video about our like farmhouse in Arabian land.
I will introduce my colleagues and cameraman. See what we found.
Okay guys, so this is my mate. His name is Jojo, and like we are working together for a year. Okay, and I'll introduce few more members who are standing there. Look at they pluck pomegranate and they're playing with this. This is Othman. Okay, and this is the local guy, strong man. We call him as a big show. And that's my one more colleague. Okay, this is a Haramol. Okay, and they are living here for like almost like 6 years. Okay. Yeah, this is the guy, owner, okay, of this farmhouse. So he's the what you call, he's the king, okay, kingmaker.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
There is bird behind it.
Tamam,